iGUIDE is an online property experience designed to give users immediate virtual access to important property information like photos, floor plans, 3D virtual tours, room measurements, and area calculations. Our iGUIDE viewer combines 360-degree images with floor plans that work together to help with understanding a property. To start using iGUIDE, just look around. Look up, down, left, and right with unlimited access. Move from one room to another by clicking in the direction you'd like to go. Navigate using the floor plan to quickly see an area that interests you. Want to see the kitchen? Just click on the kitchen. Move up or down to different floors using the floor selector or by clicking on the stairs. Measure anything you'd like on the floor plan. Click the measure button and draw a line from one point to another to see the distance between them. This can be used to measure windows, fixtures, or anything else you can think of. This allows users to understand how they fit into a space. Click the share button to post the iGUIDE on social media or to any listing service. Every iGUIDE includes downloadable PDF floor plans, room dimensions, and area totals in metric or imperial units. These measurements are extremely valuable for anyone looking to design, build, or modify a space. There is also a neighborhood map that shows the location of the property. iGUIDE combines 360-degree visuals and floor plans to give users immediate virtual access to the property information they want when they need it.